long cut lang pala yung kalsada. So this, the lady said it's shortcut. Yun. Hong Kong Waterworks Pukfulam Service Reservoir number 2. It's 1977. Ayan. Let's continue to walk. So this really is an easy hike. Ayan. Hindi ka talaga mawawala dito. Kasi ang daming mga signs. Maliligaw ka lang at mapapalayo, but you'll never get lost. Hong Kong Trail. So that's the Pilrise. Ayan o din dito. May picnic ground. Ayan. Shifu picnic site. Pero mag-video lang tayo. Guidelines using pebble walk. Ayan, may pebble walk. Foot massage. Foot massage, please take off your shoes. Ayan. This one. So this is a picnic site, pero bawal daw mag-barbecue. Yan. Tingnan lang natin kasi hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Yan, stretching. Papunta mo ng bundok, mag-stretch ka. Yan, mga ano, ito yung tinatakbo-takbo yata. In the bar kompleto dito, and it's overlooking the Pukfulam Reservoir. May ano doon, pero hindi naman makikita. Okay, so let's just move on. Ayan. Cute ng lamesa. Oh. Ayan. Mga batu, and these are rubbers. So this is the Hong Kong Trail. So we're going to Pilrise. That is 4 kilometers and that's 1 1/4 hour. So malapit lang. So this is Hong Kong Trail section 2. Medyo paakyat ang daan, pero malapit lang naman at nagugutom na ako. Saan kaya ako kakain pagdating ng Central? Ang ating lunch. Okay, let's continue to walk. So we're just here at the stretch of Pukfulam Country Park, going to Pilrise. Ni, nag-cute na dyan ni kayo ni Kaslaubot. Diba? Nag-sexy. At But hindi pala ako naka-check-in sa section 1 doon sa may Indian banyan tree. Kailangan balikan ko yun para may silbi ang aking pag-hike. Okay. Ganda ng daan. Parang morning walk lang. Ayun. Malakaran ng mga matatanda sa umaga. So they divided the trail from 1 to 8, from easy to hardest. Easy, moderate, and hard. Ayun. May mga ginawang shelter para pag umulan. So this is the Indian banyan tree. So dito kaya? Ba't dalawa? I'm sure I'm following the trail. So yan. Dito naman ang tinuro. So let's follow this. Pero bakit may isa dyan? Okay. Balikan na lang pag mali. Nasira siguro ito. Kaya ginawang tent. Temporary. This is going to the peak, to the mid-level area. Emergency helpline. So press either button to make a call. Keep pressing until the call is completed. Police reporting center, emergency only. So that is red and blue. Ayan. Malicious callers will be prosecuted. So yung nampaprank lang, hindi pwede. Lain mo yun, ang ganda ng pavilion nila dito sa bundok. Look. Diba? May orasan pa doon. Aba, kompleto. It's 2:30 to 40. And let's see what's the overlooking. Nasaan na tayo? This is Aberdeen. Let's go. The long and winding road. It's not a road actually. It's a trail. A narrow trail. So mga ganito lang ang view. Walang viewing point. Na maganda. So pagtiyagaan natin ang ganitong view. There's helicopter. This is another intersection sign. This is going to Waffle Street, 0.5 kilometer. And that's the Pukfulam. That's where I came from. And this is my endpoint. Pilrise, 1.5 kilometer is 1/2 hour. Tinwan State. Ayan. Nag-cute da Jenny ni ko. Nag-jogging. Nagbabasit. Dagiti magbagina kada sikot na. Kasla basit nga babae. So am I going the right way? This is a rain catcher. Ayan. From the mountain. So, hindi siya dediretso sa kabahayan. At unti-unting bababa. But am I taking the right trail? Ayan. Ganito sila kaseryoso sa flood control dito. This is also a part of flood control. Rain catcher. Ganda ng weather. May simenteryo sa gitna ng mga state. So it must be here, right? Hindi sa kabila. Pero parang ba't nawala ang sign? Okay. Fresh water ang tubig dito. Ayun. May mga isda. Diba? Mabalintag baniit. So this is a flood control. Look. Ayun. Beware, this water level may rise without warning. Ano? Ang kanilang floody. Kahit dito sa kabundukan, inaayos, kaya hindi basta-basta pupunta sa kabahayan. And they have it there. Mga level. So pag napuno sa kanila, aalisin na yun. Malapit na ako sa endpoint. It's 20 minutes more. So this will go to one Jacob and Peak Road. At dito sa kabila is Aberdeen. So I'm going to the peak here. So this is section 3. Hill rise to one Jacob.